Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the case. You need safe access to the Type-C port. Once done, loosen the external screws and open the back with a spudger. Use a magnifier to spot lint, corrosion, or a loose solder joint. Make sure to document screw positions. This prevents reassembly errors. You will use a multimeter to test continuity and check the microphone lines, so keep it ready and understand which pins correspond to ground, left, right, and mic. You now expose the Type-C assembly and carefully lift shielding to reveal the flex cables. Once exposed, probe the port pins with the multimeter. Check for shorts to ground and continuity on mic and audio lines. This tells you if the port itself or a downstream component is faulty. If solder joints look cracked, reflowing with a fine-tip iron can fix them. However, if the port housing is damaged or pins bent, prepare to desolder and replace the connector or the entire mic/module. You perform the chosen repair, reflow cracked joints or swap in the replacement Type-C connector using flux and minimal heat. Maintain steady hands to avoid bridging pads. Once soldering or replacement is complete, make sure connectors are fully seated and cables routed as before, then reassemble the device carefully. After powering on, connect a verified hands-free and test microphone, audio channels, and inline controls. If audio is weak or one channel fails, recheck solder joints and continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.